we finally gonna put air in my tires?
We are.
All right.
This cool little bag with all these
This
parts
out.
and pieces.
Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this compact portable air compressor. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. You're forever over there.
That's a super long hose.
That's awesome. So I love that this comes in its own little storage bag.
It does have a really nice bag, so I'm just gonna put that off to the side because
Wow, look at this thing.
it does say it gets hot, so we're not gonna run in the bag.
Okay, yeah, don't run it in the bag. This
But I
is
do
pretty
like-
serious looking.
Yeah, I do. It's simple, but I mean,
This
convenient.
air compressor connects to your battery to work. So this is going to be a lot more powerful than those little portable ones that are like rechargeable that do work, but this is a lot more powerful because it uses your actual battery. Oh, this is going to be so cool. And this tire doesn't need air. Actually, it does. That tire is the only one not flashing. Because it's winter, all of my tires need air. So this is perfect for this.
Which one needs air?
This one, that one, I don't want to tell the internet that tire only has 16 pounds of pressure.
Well, that's why we're putting air in it.
Oh,
so
is that
I
why?
do like this. That you just push
Yeah.
it on.
Oh,
clips
and it
and
like
grips. Yep.
clip and grip. Nice. How cool.
And then, look, it
Oh,
even-
look, it's telling me that I have no air
Yeah.
pressure in my tires.
Yep, it even came on automatically, so that was
That's
kind of
so
cool.
cool.
And you can change it, PSI. I think it was this button. Yeah, bar,
okay.
KPA. I don't know what
Nice.
all the other settings are. Oh yeah, it has a
Sweet.
backlight. That's cool.
Oh, yeah, it lights up when you push it. So if it's dark out and you need to put air in your tire,
Yeah.
you totally can. That's pretty cool. Don't mind my dirty engine. We do drive this thing through the mud.
Right.
Yeah, that's my negative right there. And then that's the positive. So you hook it up to your battery with your little
There we go.
connectors.
That's easy.
And then check that out. So do we gotta push this button, push this now? And it'll work?
Maybe.
Well, check that out. So it's just gonna run and it'll keep putting air into my tire. So my car has this cool feature as you're putting air in it. If you have it started, look, you can see which of my tires were low. We just filled the back tire and the front tire. So it beeps at us as we're putting air in it. And you can run this with your car running. It does actually give it a little bit more power. It doesn't draw so hard off of the battery. It's gonna beep in a second. It's gonna tell us that there's enough air in it. It will. There it goes. And so mine beeps when it gets to 36 PSI. That's pretty much what it's at. That's so cool. It's pretty convenient.
Very nice.
Yeah, don't have to haul out the big one.
Yeah.
And if you guys are wondering why my tires are so low, if you live in an area where it gets warm then cold, it will change the air pressure in your tires. And it got really cold the other night and I had a lot of my air pressure disappeared from my tires. It also came with this cool thing. This is one of them air blowy things. Psst, psst, psst. We're gonna hook it up and show you guys what that can do. That works pretty good. Now it's clean. I don't know. Closing words, hon?
That's pretty nice. I mean,
Yeah, it's pretty cool. That's how you let the
Pressure
air out of the
relief
tank.
Yep.
Oh, nice. Yeah. So
storage.
it's probably gonna go in our Jeep. It'll make it nice for when we're off-roading and we need to air down or air up the tires. It's definitely faster than a battery-operated one. And I love that it comes in its own little storage bag. Makes it easy to transport. So if you guys are looking for a really nice air compressor, we recommend this.